Got him. Oh, I thought, yeah, he came off. Oh, I got him. My bill was open. Oh, he came off too. Oh, you little prick. Good morning. It is the Addicted Angler. Good morning to all my fishaholic friends. I'm at a lake in central Alberta. I'm going to take on some rainbows today. Maybe a couple perch. We'll see. I did plan on going to Crawling Valley today, but it's a little bit too far for me. Yeah, so this is a lake I like to visit, and we'll see if we can catch some keepers. So come with me on this adventure. Oh yeah, I noticed that lots of people that watch my video aren't subscribed. It'd be really cool if you went down and hit that subscribe button. It helps boost me in the suggestions, and the algorithm pumps you up a bit. Also leave a comment and hit that thumbs up button. See you out on the lake when we're set up. Should take me about this long. And boom, just like that. We are on the ice. I don't think I'm gonna set my shack up today. Yeah, I'm just gonna set up on the ice here, try to keep 2 cameras rolling the whole time. Target species, rainbow trout. Stay tuned, let's see what we can do. Can I get you guys to keep your eye on my line for me? Oh. Come on. Come on. Got him. Mr. Rainbow Jangles. On the board, folks. They're kind of all cookie cutters this size. There is the odd big one in here though, but not very many. Mr. Rainbow, see you, buddy. Don't tell nobody. He kicked off pretty good. Shout out to all the boys at the place I work. Thank you guys for watching all my videos and supporting me through your viewership. You know who you are. You know who you are, boys. Got him. Oh yes, Glenny. We got him. There was a couple, so oh, he's just a little one. There was a couple down there. They're gonna get bigger. Anyways, beautiful fish, beautiful colors. Let's let them go. That's a big mark. Got him. Oh, come on. I missed. Oh, man. Finally. Finally on the board. That's brutal. I kept missing them. Nice little rainbows. He wants to go. I'm going to let him go. Get him a good release. See ya, buddy. Yeah, they love it when it's moving. That's definite. Oh, here comes one. Yeah. Got him. Ooh. Rainbow fever. We got it. And my dunk. I'm just letting this guy go. See ya, buddy. During the drone shot, I actually caught a rainbow. If you look real close, you can see me pulling out a decent sized rainbow.
neither one of my other cameras was running, but yeah, I thought that was pretty darn cool. It doesn't happen often, folks. Thanks for watching.
Got him. Got him. He was definitely motivated to eat. See ya, buddy. I am the only one on this entire lake today. So, very, no pressure. Like Sylvan, there was probably 1,000 people out there yesterday on a Tuesday. Here, Mr. Rainbow Jangles, Mr. Bojangle. Oh, coming fast. Got him. Coming fast. This little guy feels like, oh, it's probably the biggest one. Nice. Decent sized rainbow right there. Come on, buddy, chill. Decent sized bow. But we're gonna let him go. See ya, buddy. Thanks for the splash. So right there is the presentation, folks. It looks just like, see how I got the gold tungsten and the worm on the back? It makes it look like a bug. I just missed a huge fish when the camera was off, of course. But they seem to be hitting it on the drop. Catch one more and I'm calling it, I think. Oh, look at this guy coming from way up top. He's coming for the gold. Coming back, come on. Got him. We got him. He came from really up. Oh, it's a nice one too. Oh, that is a nice trout. That is a nice trout for this lake. All right, buddy. Come on. All right. Got to get them between my legs and then they stop. There we go. Right up through the nose. Alright. These folks want me to tell them how deep they are. Do you guys care if you're in my YouTube video? Hi, buddy. Hi, big fella. You want to check me out? You check me out? Yes. Oh, yes. All right, we'll dip it in and tell you how deep you are here. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's go auto. Oops. You're pretty deep. You're 28 feet, almost 29. Sure. Yeah, it's probably close, but we can check. If you guys want to use my auger, just go ahead. Probably easier. 2 feet ice. Sure. Good, and you? Catching them like crazy here. Yeah, I'm on YouTube for. I'm the Addicted Angler. You guys are really deep. Not really deep, but yeah, live scope. So it's 27 foot. Yeah, it's cool. I was watching them come from like right under the ice all the way down to the bottom. I'm in 14 feet over there. So
what are you catching here then?
Rainbows.
Rainbow, eh?
Oh yeah. I caught one when I put my drone up. Like, what are the chances of that? All right, folks. Well, good luck. Do you want to drill some more holes? You can use my electric and let me know. Yeah, you bet. Good luck. Don't forget, follow Addicted Angler. Nice, folks. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, one more fish. Look at that bad boy. And we're gonna catch a fish right smartly. You feel it. You feel it. Oh, there's one on this one. Are you coming back for it? Shoot, I wasn't paying attention. Coming for it. Oh, he went away. Got him. Oh, did I ever get him. Another killer hook set. Alright. As soon as I clamp them between the legs, we're good. Another Mr. Rainbow. Another cute little rainbow. We'll let him go. See ya, buddy. Nice. Alrighty, folks. That's a wrap. We had a pretty good day. Mr. Rainbow was cooperating. We caught a few. I'm off to do a video for some big old pike tomorrow. Hopefully that works out well. We will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see all you fishaholics on the next one. Pow.